Okay, Mr. Durhal, you can tap your device and rejoin your breakout room. Mr. Durhal, tap your device and rejoin your breakout room. And while he's doing that, 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no in and out of the camera. You cannot be walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, driving, or eating. Your name is called. Please unmute your device and mute it and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. We don't have any attorney present.
What you say, Judge?
We don't have an attorney present.
No, they were. They just disappeared on me. Okay. I thought everyone was ready. We waited on the one of the attorneys to come back out, and when they come back out, I guess if they bring out more people, I have to reopen court. So just be patient. Which they did. Okay, Mr. Robinson, hold the device on mute. And also, Mr. Robinson, we getting feedback. So if you got on two devices, eliminate one of them or turn down your volume.
Who was here on she was here 4 days.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Ms. Dumas, put your device on mute. I'm gonna reopen court when one of the attorneys come back. When the attorneys come back.
All right.
So what happened to that one guy that had 50 cases on Monday? It was only he only had 5 people on that show. He showed up, he had about 50 cases, then he got off clean. Cool.
When I open court, everyone must be seated and you must be in the camera, because if I see that you're moving or not in the camera, I'm going to remove you. And I don't want to do that. I really don't.
Yes.
Trust me. Mr. Robinson, where are you?
I'm gonna call and sit down because they look at me.
Yes.
Okay, you have to remain seated. You're in court.
I had to use the restroom.
Okay. Well, I guess I better let that one go. All right.
You want me to turn my ring and stick me first? I might not be. I know I do it calls. Might not be that ring. I'll start.
And the kiosks were red.
I'll do the NBA. No doubt about it.
So Durhal, did they tell you to come back out?
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Brimberg, get into the camera. Okay.
Okay, gotcha.
Judge, do you want me to wait for Attorney Robinson to come back out, or because if anyone else you bring out that open court, I'm putting them in the waiting room until we finish with these defendants.
No, I'm gonna do Ms. Attorney Hamoud's case because I think that's. So yeah, she can go ahead.
This is Ronald.
Mr. Rimmers, turn on your video, please.
Yes.
Okay, I'm about to open court once again. 36th District Court is now back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no in and out of the camera, walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, or driving, or I will be moved, trust me. If your name is called, please unmute your device, if muted, and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Ronald Remitz, ticket number 23751-967, count one, reckless driving. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Zainab Hammoud on behalf of defendant Ronald Remitz, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Remitz, please say your name for the record.
Ronald Remix.
This matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:03. The officer has appeared. Ms. Hammoud, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. I move to dismiss the charges.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You
Yes,
are all, Mr. Remitz, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Do I get off?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Well, all right, this is the People versus Andre Robinson, ticket number SP 1139943, count one, drove while license not valid, or proper license, count two, driving register on a title vehicle, count three, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 1141703, count one, driving register on a title vehicle, count two, a proper place, count three, drove while license not valid, or a proper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Robinson. Sir, would you please say your name?
Andre Robinson.
Your Honor, we do have a resolution in these matters. Mr. Robinson will be pleading guilty pursuant to the people's offer.
Yeah.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Fillmore, in private about your case and your rights.
Yeah.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 3rd, 2020 at 12:33 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Cary Street and Robinwood Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Were you driving a 2006 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was not valid or was improper?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
No.
Your plates were proper?
No. I had a 10-day sticker on it, and it had just expired.
So the plates were not proper?
No, it wasn't proper.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Fillmore, and stipulating probable cause?
Satisfied and so stipulated, Your Honor.
Roll amendment. The drive while license improper to fail to display will dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine for the fail to display. I'll waive the fine for the improper plates. Can you have the $200 paid by July 14th?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
So you are all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you.
It's quiet.
All right, this is the People versus Trayvon Ricks. Ticket number SP 1261947, count one, driver license suspended, count two, I'm sorry, ticket number SP 1403421, count one, drove while licensed, not valid or improper license, count two, improper plates, count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, I think this may be Miss Gaten Robinson's client, and I don't see her on the screen.
Okay, let me call this matter. This is the people versus Carl Robinson. Ticket number.
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt. I believe Mr. Robinson is also Miss Gaten Robinson's client.
All right. What about Charles Randall?
Yes.
This is the people versus Charles Randall. Ticket number SP 14116.
Oh, hold on, stop, Judge. because-
Mr. Robinson, it's Mr. Robinson. Mr. Robinson, turn your volume down, because it's a lot of feedback.
Oh, okay, I didn't get it. All I got was SP, and then I lost you.
Ticket number SP 1446623, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Randall. Sir, would you please say your name?
Charles Randall.
Your Honor, Mr. Randall is asking for one pretrial date. He's getting his license and documentation together. We're just asking for one pretrial.
All right, we'll set this matter for pre-trial on June 28th at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Randall, you can leave. Your next court date is June 28th at 8:35. And Mr. Robinson, I'll put you back in the waiting room until your attorney comes.
What about Jose Rios? Is that yours?
Mr. Rios is mine, Your Honor. It's a no PO.
Okay, we'll call it in a moment. Let me just finish with Mr. Fillmore. Who else is yours, Mr. Fillmore?
Mr. Durhal, Ms. Dumas, and Mr. Richardson.
Versus Antonio Richardson. Ticket number SP 1422297. Count one, drive while licensed suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Richardson. Sir, please say your name.
Antonio Richardson.
Your Honor, Mr. Richardson was able to provide valid proof of insurance for a 2020 Toyota Corolla. And also I had your clerk run his Secretary of State and his license is valid. So I would move to dismiss these matters.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, these matters. You said he does have valid what did he show you?
He has proof of insurance for a 2020 Toyota Corolla that expires in September of this year.
Did he show you registration?
I think the only two I see on the docket are suspended license and no insurance misdemeanor, Your Honor. I didn't ask for his registration.
Okay. All right. All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Richardson has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Said your hall is yours. This is the people versus. Who else was yours?
Mr. Durhal and Ms. Dumas.
This is the people versus Jordan Dumas. Ticket number SP 1438708. Count two, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Jordan
Good morning,
Dumas.
Your Honor. Jim Phil
I'm
on
sorry.
behalf of Ms. Dumas.
I'm sorry, let me call him, I'm sorry. Count one is expired plates, count two, driving register, title vehicle, count three, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your name for the record, and I'd like to start with Corporal Baker.
Morning, Your Honor. Corporal Baker, Detroit Police, Badge 21.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Dumas. Ms. Dumas, would you please say your name?
Jordan Dumas.
And Your Honor, today's the date and time set for trial in these matters. Ms. Dumas does have a valid proof of insurance for a 2009 Dodge Nitro. And as to the two remaining counts, there has been an offer extended. She would like to take advantage of that offer and plead responsible to the civil infraction of expired plates.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket,
So stipulated, Your Honor.
stipulate to probable cause as to counts 2 and 3.
So stipulated.
All right, there is, this without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $145 because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay the $145. Can you have it paid by June 28th?
Can I have it paid by June 30th? Is it 30 days?
I'm sorry?
Is June 30th okay, or June 28th? That's a strict date.
It's 14 days. You've had a number of adjournments on this matter.
Yeah, no, I did, because my tags were originally 120 and I had that 120. My car been having problems. I've been in and out of jobs. Then I went to try to go get it yesterday at Secretary of State, and it's 2:30 now. So I this whole time I was trying to gun for 120 because I looked it up a week before.
I'll give you to July 12th. We're all set.
All
Thank
right.
you, Judge.
So thank you, Corporal Baker.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day.
We're all set, Ms. Dumas. It's due July 12th.
The ticket, the ticket price or the registration?
The fine is due July 12th.
All right. And you said how much was it again? I'm sorry.
$120.
All right.
This is the People versus Derek Durhal, ticket number SP 985064, count 1, driver license suspended repeat offender, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driving register title vehicle, ticket number 204399990, count 1, no operator's license in possession, unregistered, count 2, unregistered motor vehicle, count 3, no insurance, ticket number SP 986103, count 1, doesn't display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle, ticket number SP 985064, count 1, driver license suspended repeat offender. I did that one already, I'm sorry. Ticket number SP 954847, count 1, drove a license not valid, proper license, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and then ticket number SP 1035149, count 1, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Kopik.
Corporal Kropik, badge 775, City Detroit Police Officer.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Durhal. Sir, would you please say your name?
Derek Durham.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for trial in all of these matters. I believe Corporal Kropik is the only witness that has appeared for these 11 matters. So I would move to dismiss all the remaining matters other than the suspended license ticket that Colonel Kropik is here for. And as to that matter, there has been an offer extended by the people that would be to pleading guilty to the amended charge of failure to display a license, and Mr. Durhal would like to proceed that way, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Durham. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Turn your video off because it looks like your connection's not that strong. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to October 22nd, 2019 at 1:22 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near 7 Mile in Westmoreland in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You driving a 2004 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
You driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Fillmore?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission and amend the count of bail to display. We'll proceed to sentencing. I don't know if I stated, but all the other matters that the officers did not show up, all those matters are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by July 14th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
So, the driving record is clean.
I don't know if it's clean. I mean, all the matters that were up today, most of them have, all but one have been dismissed.
Okay.
So
Okay,
I'm
I
not
understand.
sure what's going on with, if you have any other cases.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
All righty.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. This is the People versus Trayvon Ricks, ticket number SP 1403421, count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license, count 2, improper place, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 1261947, count 1, drive a license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. Ricks. Your Honor, Mr. Ricks has been made an offer to plead to one count of failure to display, and the other matters will be dismissed. He'd like to take advantage of that.
All right, before you say your name, Mr. Ricks, Officer Allison Isaac Ruffin did not appear. That is a capias. You are all set, sir. All right, I don't know if you heard me, but go ahead, Mr. Ricks, say your name.
Trayvon Ricks.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand out. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Free will.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 1st, 2022 at 1:55 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near Evergreen and Orange Line in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2009 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or proper?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Gabe Robinson?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with amending that count of fail to display. Do you stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, sir. Can you have that fine paid by July 14th?
Yes, ma'am. I could pay it before then.
Yes, sir. You can pay it early after tomorrow. They need time for it to get into the computer. You can also
So I
make
can go down
partial
there.
payments. Listen, you can also make partial payments if you need to. You can pay online at 36district.org. You can pay at DivDat machines throughout the city, like at the Northwest Activity Center and other places. You can just look up the DivDat, DIVDAT machines. And
Okay.
they may be closer to you. They're in local neighborhoods, the machines where people pay their utility bills.
Mhm.
They have a link to the 36th District Court where you can pay it. So you can pay it online, you can pay it at the machine, take the machine exact change, or you can go in person to the court, whichever one's most convenient for you. But the clerk needs time to get the stuff in the system. So wait until tomorrow at the earliest.
Okay. If I paid it one of the machines, how long do it take before it show up in the system?
You're gonna get a receipt for it. What do you mean?
Before it show up in the court system, do it show immediately or is it a wait?
I'm not aware. I don't work for the court.
It will show up immediately.
You said
Okay,
it'll
thank
show
you.
up. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one, Mr. Ricks.
Thank you as well.
Ronald Davis. Ronald. You're welcome. Good luck, sir. Corporal Rule, Devondra Rogers, she did not appear, so that's the KPS. I don't know, Officer Allison, if you heard me, Isaac Ruffin is gonna be a KPS.
Judge, Isaac Ruffin did sign in. I don't know if he left. Let me see something.
Is he on the phone, maybe?
I'm looking, if he tried to zoom back in.
Why do you do that to me?
I don't know what happened. Well, he signed in this morning, so I don't know.
I'll give him another day. If he doesn't show back up, I'll give him another day, but, Officer Corporal Rule, wait, we talking about Ruffin or Corporal Rule, you're all set. Miss Rogers did not appear, so she's a KPS.
Okay.
Okay, Officer Allison, you're all set. I don't know where he is, but if he shows back up, we'll give him another day, I guess. Was he on the phone or was he, you don't remember?
Isaac Robinson, he was on the phone then. Let me see if this is him.
Cause there's somebody.
I was here for Isaac Ruffin, Your Honor.
Correct.
Yeah, this is Isaac Ruffin.
Oh,
Okay.
Hello, this is Isaac Ruffin.
All right, okay. Well, okay, Officer Allison, we can go back into the breakout room and we'll try to do something.
Judge,
This is Isaac Ruffin here.
Mr. Ruffin, the court needs a moment, sir. We have you checked in. We have you present. Give us just one moment. They're going to put you in a here, okay? Until push *6 and mute your device.
Hold
push
on.
*6.
It's his court date.
You say hit *6?
Also.
Yes, sir.
Judge, it's his trial date.
Okay, *6. Okay, thank you.
You going to let him?
We'll figure if he takes a plea, then he can do it over the phone. If not, we'll just have to reschedule it for an in-person. So we'll let someone talk to him. Just give me a moment.
Okay, I'm putting.
Attorney for
Mr. French, good morning. What case are you on, sir?
Tamara Riley. It's ticket matters for dogs.
Yes. Her offer.
Is the officer here today, Your Honor?
Have they retained attorney?
Could I speak with him maybe in a breakout room?
You can, but let me just let you know what the offer. We did have an offer. I don't see it in here. Here it is. The offer was a 6-month delayed sentence on 3 of the tickets and dismissing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tickets. That was the offer.
Okay.
I will put you in a breakout room. You guys can go to 3, and I'm gonna move you to 3, and then I'm gonna put the officers in there.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, all right, you ready on Carl Robinson, Ms. Gabriel?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the people versus. This is people versus Carl Robinson, ticket number SP 1445739, count one, wrong way, one-way street. Ticket number SP 1445743, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, and count two, driver's license never required. Good morning, say your name to the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Carl Robinson. Mr. Robinson, say your name for the record. Unmute your device, sir. Mr. Robinson, look at your screen. There's a request to unmute your device. Touch unmute.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Say your name, Mr. Robinson.
Carl Robinson.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial in this matter. Officer Bennett has not appeared and we're seeking a dismissal of this matter. It is 10:29. It was set for trial at 9 a.m.
This is Mr. Robinson. This is really truly your lucky day because I have never seen Corporal Bennett miss a court date. And you really got lucky. So he is not here. It is 10:29. He is not here. So this matter is dismissed without prejudice. And even Ms. Gay Robinson, she was surprised too, because Corporal Bennett, he always gonna show up. But
He always here. So go ahead and hang up, sir. Have a
Yeah,
wonderful
yeah,
day.
yeah.
I have
Hang
all
up.
my paperwork, so I'm good.
Hang up,
Thank you.
hang
Have
up.
a good day.
All right, this is the people versus Jose Rios. Ticket number SP 1116019, count one, driver's license never acquired. And ticket number SP 1143919, count one, drove while unlicensed. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rios. Mr. Rios, please state your name for the record.
My name is Jose Rios.
Your Honor, Mr. Rios is here for trial today. His matter was set for trial at 9 a.m. It is 10:30. No, neither of his officers have appeared and we're seeking dismissals of these matters.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9. It's 10:30. No officers appeared. Your matters are dismissed without prejudice.
Bye, Mr. Rios.
All right, bye. Thank you.
Have a great weekend. Go to the Secretary of State so you can know what you need to do.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
This is the people versus Earl Rimberg, ticket number SP 1447481, count one, revoke license, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, and count three, 16 to 20 miles per hour over coastal speed. Morning, please say your names for the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rimberg. Mr. Rimberg, please say your name for the record. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial in this matter. Officer Nelson has not signed in. It is now 10:31. The matter was set for 9 a.m. I'm seeking a dismissal of all of these matters.
All right, these matters are also dismissed without prejudice, as the officer has failed to appear. Ms. Gay Robinson, he does have another ticket that is in warrant status. It's from April 20th, 2022. Do you want to set this matter for trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Rimberg. And I call it, hold on, let me call it. This is ticket number SP 1340560. Count one, drive with revoked license. And just to give you a little bit of background, Mr. Rimberg, this is the vehicle is a 2008 Cadillac. The location is Finkle and St. Mary's in the city of Detroit. So those are the allegations. But do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue. You're not guilty. Please set this matter for a bench trial for June 29th at 9 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Rimberg, go to
Yeah.
the Secretary of State and have a conversation before you come back on your next court date, okay? Have a great day.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Attorney French, the prosecutor has not came in yet. I know you want to have a conference with her. So I'll put you in the breakout room and hopefully she'll come.
Could you give me her information? Maybe I can reach out to her. I tried to get a hold of the attorneys 2 days in a row to no avail to share some information. Maybe you could.
For the prosecutor?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Yes, Your Honor.
She's not. I can give you her phone number. I know she's not in today. Her office number is 313-224-2070. Her email is Horne, HORNE, Tom, TOM, at DetroitMI.gov.
Do you anticipate the arrival of the prosecutor anytime soon?
No.
She has multiple courtrooms, so it depends on which judge is holding her hostage.
I gotcha.
Yeah, so it just depends.
Well, let me try to reach out. Maybe we might have to adjourn. I'm not sure how to handle that.
Yeah, I mean,